What's up? Yo, ever wanted your VTuber model to hit that dramatic anime zoom in like someone just dropped some mad trauma?
NANI?
What? If no, then stop watching the video. If yes, then I'll show you how you can accomplish this. Alrighty, this assumes you guys already have OBS. If you don't have OBS, you can download it from here. Just download the installer, it'll be way quicker and easier for you. Next, we need the Move plugin for OBS. So look for OBS Move plugin. And the one you want to download is this one right here by Exceldro. Follow the installation manual. Basically, you want to click the download link, get the Windows zip file or Linux or Mac depending on your operating system. Unzip the folder that you just downloaded and you'll be presented with the data and OBS plugins folder. Go to wherever you installed your OBS and then you'll also see the data and OBS plugins folder here. What you want to do is drag and drop the Move transition folders into your main OBS file. Alright, so here's our Move plugins. Drag and drop it into our OBS folder. I'm going to open up OBS and here is OBS. Okay, basically what we're going to do, right click on the scene, add filter. You want to add a move source filter. Sorry, I'll zoom in a bit as well. And then what we're going to do is on your main source, the one that's capturing the VTuber model, we are going to drag the borders out to kind of like zoom in like this. However you want to zoom in as much as you can, it's all up to you. I'm just going to say this much. Then in our filter, we're going to go down to transform and we're going to hit get transform. You'll see it will save the transform of the source that it's currently in. And we're just going to control Z to bring the source back to how it normally was beforehand. So what happens if we run it now? It zooms in, but it stays like that. So what we're going to do, scroll down to next move and we're going to hit reverse. What this does is after it ends, it goes straight back to what it was beforehand. It's still kind of too quick, right? So we'll go back to the top. Next, what we want to do is so that it's not so quick is we want to extend the end delay. I'm just going to put 500 here and let's see how this looks now. Wonderful. So that's essentially how you get the main zoom in effect. Now, the way I did it, I will show you how I set it up to have the audio as well. But if that's all you wanted to know, you can pretty much close the video here. That's pretty much done. From here on, I'm just going to show you how I set my one up. My one's a bit more complicated. I'll just skip the stuff that are specific for me. I'll show you how you can add the sound effect. So you have your move source filter that we created earlier here. Have the source that you want. Normally it'd be like a VTuber spout, but I don't have it set up in this OBS instance. So I'll be using a game capture and capturing my vignette. The transform is already set up as I explained earlier. We want to enable start trigger. I accidentally forgot to mention we want to enable start trigger. Enable when the eye icon is on front of this filter. Just make sure that's selected. Alright, start trigger here. And we add a simultaneous move. We add in a move action filter. This will also come with the move source plugin. So make sure you add that move action. And then the move source, you want to make sure the simultaneous move is with that move action. Make sure we hit that reverse. And that should be it for this setting. Feel free to play around with the easing as well. Okay, in our move action, I set mine up to have it be enabled through the source visibility. This is the scene and the source is an audio file. The zoom sound effect is an audio file. You can have whatever audio file you want. My one specifically says
NANI?
it has that sound effect to it. I have the enable to a toggle and the end action will be none. Start trigger enable same as always, and we want it on reverse as well so that it can mute it. So what this does is, and the most important part, it was with a simultaneous move, whenever this is triggered, the sound effects will also be triggered at the same time. Now what I'm using behind the scenes is an app called Streamerbot. Go to streamer.bot and you can download it here as well. Run it, open it, go to platforms, Twitch accounts, and you want to sign in. Then you want to go to channel point rewards, and you want to create a new one. This one we'll call it, actually I already have one here. What this does, it creates a channel reward for your Twitch automatically. Enable it, give it a name, give it a channel reward point cost, a prompt, or basically a description, and give it a cooldown if you want. If you want people spamming it, just make it lower. Hit OK. You want to go to Stream app and connect your OBS to your Streamerbot. So do you want to go right click, add, give it a name like OBS or whatever. Remember port 4455, and then now you want to go to your OBS. Go to tools and then WebSocket server settings. Enable WebSocket server port 4455, same one as the one in Streamerbot. You want to go get your password here. Get your server password, just copy it. Back to Streamerbot, paste your password here, hit auto connect, and reconnect as well. Hit OK. Now it will say disconnected. Just right click on it and then click on connect. So I already got mine connected beforehand. If you got yours connected correctly, you'd be able to see the connected WebSocket sessions in the WebSocket server settings in OBS, like so. And in OBS, you'd see that the status is connected. If you select and highlight it, on the right, you see their streaming status, and you'll also see all the sources and scenes in the OBS itself. Then you want to go to the Actions tab. I have mine set up here already. But basically, you want to right click, go to add, give it a name. I'm just going to zoom in. You don't have to add it to a group. I'm just going to put mine here. Let me double check. Yep. All right. And the top right, go to trigger. You want to scroll down to Twitch. And here are the various ways that you can trigger this action. In our case, we want to do it through channel reward redemption. And then in here, you'd pick the reward that you made. In our case, it's 90. Hit OK. Now, basically, when someone redeems this channel reward, it will trigger the bunch of actions in here, which we're going to create now. Right click, OBS, and we'd want to go to, if I recall, scene, filter state. Have your OBS connection here. Select the scene where you saved that filter and select the filter that we created. In this case, or in your case, it will be the dramatic zoom filter. And we want to toggle the state to toggle. And if you hit test, it would work.
NANI?
I did have mine set up a bit differently, so
NANI?
don't worry if it looks too different. Alrighty, that should be that should be it for this. Thanks for watching. Hope it all helped you out. If it didn't, then I'm sorry. If it did, then go have fun. Okay.